Hi children, today your task is creating 3 different animation using PPT. For that, just create your home tab, home slide, then come to home, new slide, you just take one empty slide, then go to insert, picture, then you have to choose any different 5 flowers or any different 5 animals or any group, any different 5 backgrounds you have to select. After that, just you minimize the size, then keep everything one by one like this, give gap in between like this, give little gap in between like this. Then after that, choose all the pictures. Choosing Ctrl A in your keyboard, you can select everything. Then right click group. Now all 5 pictures joined as a same group now. Then I'm going to create another group like this, so just to minimize the size of the window. Now copy this slide, paste another one, keep this here. Now keep these 2 pictures together, select, right click, group. Now all together joined as a same group. Okay, everything will move together only. Then choose this picture, click on animation, click on fly in. You have to choose the animation fly in only. Then after choosing fly in, click on animation pan. Then you can see group 13, whatever your group names. Then right click that group name, you right click effect options. Then you have to choose the direction from left. From the bottom it was there, right? You have to change from left. Then you just go to timing. You have to do 3 changes here. Starting should be with previous. This is your first change. Start should be with previous. Then duration should be 15 seconds. You have to give the duration is 15 seconds. Then you have to give the repeat as until end of slide. So start is with previous, duration is 15 seconds, repeat is until end of slide. Okay, then click on OK. That's it. Then after that, choose this, copy and paste one more. Then you come here, see if the window is not adequating, just minimize the window and keep like this. Okay, then you have to choose this picture, then that is in group 14 in my PPT. Then right click effect options, it's from left, its direction is from left, that we have to change from right. Then I have to go for timing, it should be start is with previous, duration is 15 seconds, repeat is until end of slide. That's it. Okay, then after that you see here, just to increase the size I'm going to design here. See here, go to insert shapes, click on shapes, then choose any color like this here, give any different colors whichever you want to apply here, then give one more shapes, rectangle shapes here, give any light colors over here, right click edit text, you just choose the clip art, give something welcome to all or any message you want to give, choose the thing, go here, give any different font size to show it as big. Okay, then you can go for text fill. These are all for additional colors, additional designs, whatever you want to give. That's it. So I added 2 shapes. Inside the shapes I added some message. That's it. Let us run now. So this is our first slide using animation. This must be completed first. Okay, then we go for our second slide. How to do? Just go to home, new slide. Okay, here go to insert, picture, you have to select any 4 pictures, then all 4 you keep it in 4 different directions like this. Then choose all the pictures using Ctrl A in your keyboard, give any different design whichever you like. After this, choose your first picture, go to animation, click on add animation, come down, choose motion path, custom path, then choose this picture, move, just draw the direction this picture should move here, here, here and here. That's it. Okay, then after that choose this picture from animation pan. If animation pan is not appear on your computer, click on animation, then click on animation pan, it will come. Right click, effect options, then here you have to smooth start from the beginning, then go to timing. You have to you give start as with previous, then duration as 15 seconds, then repeat should be until end of slide. Start with previous, duration 15 seconds, repeat until end of slide. That's it. Okay, so it will move like this. The same way, choose the second picture, add animation, custom path, give the path in the rectangle shapes, then choose animation pan, your second picture, effect options, smooth start from the beginning, smooth end from the beginning, timing with previous, here 15 seconds, then end until end of slide. That's it. Then choose the second one, go to add animation, choose custom path, draw the rectangle shape for that shape picture, choose that picture, go to effect options, smooth start from the beginning, smooth end from the beginning, timing with previous, duration 15 seconds, repeat until end of the slide. Okay, then choose your fourth picture, add animation, custom path, give your custom path like this. Oh sorry, choose the picture, add animation, custom path, draw the shape in the rectangular path. After that choose that specific picture, right click, effect the options, smooth start from the beginning, smooth end from the beginning, timing with previous, and it's for 15 seconds, repeat until end of the slide. That's it. Let us run this. This is your second slide. Okay children. Okay, for your third slide we don't have proper time, you can see it in your next class. So you are completing only these two things now. Okay, so it's not 3 animation, you complete just 2 animations. Okay, then you just play this. This is your first animation, then this is your second animation. These 2 animations you are completing and sending now. Okay, that's it.